Want to uncover how these sweet, crunchy treats are made to perfection? Before we dive in, here's an interesting fact to set the stage. Ferrero Rocher is that it was one of the first chocolates to be advertised on television in Italy when it launched in 1982. This marked a significant shift in how chocolate was marketed in the country and set the stage for Ferrero Rocher's image as a premium, gift-worthy product globally. It all starts with chocolate making, where we mix cocoa liquor with cocoa butter and sugar. This mixture is then refined to create a smooth texture. Those hazelnuts have changed the entire game of almost everything. They are being manually inspected, so not any ruined hazelnut can enter the Rocher realm. All these hazelnuts are going to be kept aside so they can put them one by one in every chocolate. Instead of making circles of these wafers, they chose to create the entire wafer sheet with the exact molding they needed for our favorite chocolate treat. The wafers need to get cooled down before they are showered with damn rich chocolate and other knickknacks. Melted chocolate made from the best cocoa beans and hazelnuts waits to dip the wafers. While the hazelnuts are waiting for them to get done so they can take their place right in the center of the rich chocolate. Two of the sheets hug each other so they can make whole balls of chocolate before cutting procedures. The combination of textures, the crunch of the wafer, the creaminess of the filling, the nutty goodness. It's a sensory overload that hijacks your taste buds and refuses to let go. The next time you pop one of those golden orbs into your mouth, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship and care that went into each and every bite. Raffaello is a sensation. From bustling city streets to cozy countryside cottages, you'll find these creamy confections bringing smiles to faces everywhere. It's the perfect combination of exotic flavors, luxurious textures, and absolute ingredients. With each bite, you're transported to a sun-drenched island paradise, where worries melt away, and all that matters is the blissful moment of enjoyment. As if the creamy filling wasn't enough, each Raffaello ball would be cut and separated from each other for further magic. Now it undergoes an extra layer of indulgence, a coating of rich, creamy white chocolate and shredded coconut. This adds a delightful crunch and intensifies the coconut flavor, making every bite an experience of texture and taste. It wasn't until the 17th century that ice cream gained popularity in Europe, thanks to the introduction of new freezing techniques and ingredients that always enhance our mood and taste buds. A bunch of robotic arms hold the bars gently and dip them into the pool of rich chocolate to give them a thick and delicious chocolate coating. Another amazing blast of freshness. It all starts with harvesting good quality strawberries to make delightful juice, which is hard to resist. Bursting with the sweet and tangy essence of ripe strawberries, this beverage is not only delicious, but also packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants. Including whole strawberry chunks in the juice adds dietary fiber, which promotes digestive health, regulates blood sugar levels, and contributes to a feeling of fullness. Cookies, those delightful treats that bring joy with every bite, are a universal favorite. The process starts with mixing together all the necessary and secret ingredients together to form a dough-like mixture. This mixture is carefully formulated to achieve the desired texture and flavor of the crackers. Specially designed molds are used to cut the dough sheet into the iconic curved shape of the crackers. The shaped dough is baked in ovens until it's crisp and golden brown. The secret flavoring spices are being prepped to sprinkle onto the chips. The machines are designed in a way that uniquely gathers the chips, just like the famous Pringles. Prawns are delicious seafood enjoyed by many around the world. But if you have ever wondered how they make their journey from the sea to your plate, here's your answer. Before any further processing can take place, the prawns need to be thoroughly cleaned. This involves removing any dirt or unwanted parts from the prawns. The prawns are usually washed in cold water to remove any impurities. Now it's time for a second bath and to inspect them manually. This ensures that only the best prawns make it to the next stage of processing. To preserve the freshness of the prawns and extend their shelf life, they are typically frozen. This is done using blast freezers, which rapidly freeze the prawns to lock in their flavor and nutrients. Frozen prawns can then be stored for an extended period without compromising their quality. Deep frying can add extra calories and fat, so opting for baked or air-fried nuggets can be a healthier choice. The process of making donuts at factory levels involves mixing dough just like regular ones, and shaping it into thinner sheets for accurate shapes and the finest flavors. Fully automated systems mean the machines handle all about their shaping, molding, and more. Donuts hold a special place in our hearts, with their irresistible flavors, fluffy texture, and endless variety.